In a previous video, we covered what dot product is and how to calculate it, but today we will cover the applications of dot product. First, it can be used to determine the angle between two intersecting vectors. By rearranging our dot product formula, we can solve for cos theta and our angle. This can also be used to solve for the angle between two lines, or in higher dimensions, to determine the angle between vectors or planes. It can also be used to determine if two vectors are perpendicular. Because cosine of 90 degrees is 0, the dot product of perpendicular vectors will always be 0. We can also use this formula to find a perpendicular vector to one we are given. Determining the projection of a vector on another vector is another application of dot product, seen in the formula here. For example, say we have a boat which has a given velocity from its engine, but there's also a current in the water. We can find the projection of this velocity in the direction of the boat's motion to solve for the total velocity of the boat. Finally, dot product can be used to solve for the work done by a force, as work is equal to the dot product of the force F and the displacement PQ. For example, say we have a wagon being pulled by a constant force from point P to point Q. Using the angle between our vectors, we can solve for the work done by this force using dot product.